Oh, what was it?
What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at Wrap Sesh. This week we are unboxing one of our shop Christmas presents. When we went to SEMA 2018, we went to the Innovative Tools booth, and we've had our eyes on their stuff since the year before.
Yeah.
That we've been wanting to get their stuff.
They have like bumper stands and like door stand, pretty much anything to hold
Hood
body
stands,
parts.
yeah. They've got parts racks that are like mobile that you can hang like, you know, multiple panels
Their
from.
parts racks are really cool because they're actually
Really
specialized for certain things. So like if say you're doing clear bra, you can set up that stand to where it holds everything that you need to do clear bra.
Right.
So, or like, you know, anything
So
that
really
you want
nice,
to do. Yeah.
space-saving, efficient products. But we particularly had our eye on their bumper stand, and they were running a SEMA special. So we actually bought this product. We didn't, you know, it didn't get sponsored to us or anything. We did this video because we wanted to show you guys because I think it's a really,
awesome.
really helpful product to have in your shop if you're doing a lot of disassembly. This is our first time putting it together, so we're gonna kind of wing it. It is the Innovative Superstand is what the name is, I believe, and it is a bumper stand. So we're gonna try to put that together today on film and test it out with this Camaro wrap we're doing because we have both the bumpers off right now in the shop, just, you know, sitting on the table, wasting space.
Yep.
So if you guys want to check them out, I believe their website is innovativetools.com, and let's get started, yeah?
Without further ado.
So we're really excited to use this bumper stand. We're gonna try to put it together.
We're going to attempt
Keyword
to follow
is
these.
Try, okay? Because if you guys have
instructions.
seen our last episodes, you saw when we tried to put those material stands together, and that was supposed to be easy, and we managed to screw that up too.
Wow.
So without further ado, let's get started.
All right.
Step one, what's step one?
Step one, we're gonna start with that thing, and we're gonna put those two stands on the bottom of this. See the holes? Pow.
I feel like I should have the directions, and you should move stuff around.
We haven't even got through the first one, and you're already telling me I suck at this?
I'm just not a good listener.
Okay. I'll build it. You tell me what to
I'm gonna
do.
glaze over real quick.
All right.
Okay. The end caps. Okay. And bolt on the foot pads.
Where the hell's a foot pad?
What are you doing, guys?
I'm eating my breakfast.
Yeah?
I like my Krispy Kremes warm. And ooey gooey. Yeah, that's perfect. Can you tap my back? Just, it needs to move like an eighth. Nope. That back.
Oh,
See?
okay.
Like an eighth inch in.
You got.
Oh, ow, too far. Too far. Kind of centered.
Definitely uses two people to put a bumper on here, which is normal. Okay, so that's gonna go out.
Now we should test it and see if we can put it horizontal. This is awesome! There you have it, guys. So now, when we were ready to wrap this, by the way, this has been all wet sanded. When we're ready to wrap this, we'll probably pop this straight up and pull it like Yeah.
And then we'll put it down to finish it.
Yeah, you could literally, I mean, you could be installing it once you're done pulling it, you could pop it down right here and be like eye level doing all of this. So this is really awesome.
It takes a little time to get it set up, you know, the right way.
You know, I feel like we only spent like 10 or 15 minutes. Like, I don't feel like that was that bad. And we're really prone to messing stuff up. So.
Well, no, this was our first time using this, so we didn't know.
Yeah, we've never built this before. This is our first product from Innovative Tools,
Yeah.
but this is awesome. And for us, you know, a shop that's disassembling bumpers and everything on a regular basis on almost every car, like
Yeah.
this is definitely way better than having to set our bumpers over on the table or trying to rig them up somewhere. Like, this is secure, so I can wrap this on here.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys are interested, innovativetools.com is the one who makes all these stands and racks and everything.
And this is the Innovative Superstand.
This is the Superstand for bumpers.
They have
fender stands,
door
mirrors,
stands,
all sorts of really cool stuff. If you're a body shop,
Yeah.
a wrap shop, a detail shop,
Well, they have one that's called like the octopus, and it has like 8
all
arms.
sorts of arms.
And
to
so
just
you can
clip
pretty much
on
mount
wherever you need
anything.
to.
So like if you want to put a mirror or a handle, even like something small, so you can use pretty much anything.
Super cool.
But,
so once again, that is innovativetools.com. Thank you
Turn
guys
this
for our
around.
stuff. Super awesome.
Just to show you what the back looks like, how it's mounted up. Plow!
If you guys want to see more of our work, make sure to check out our social media. That is Facebook and Instagram, Wrap/AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh vibe.
Whoa! I wasn't ready for that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. You ready?
You just... I don't even know what I was gonna do.
Why don't I do like something like a watcha and smack your bum?
No.
And you just say,
No, I'm not gonna do
just a little one. I won't even touch your bum. I'll just pretend.
No. I'm not gonna go like this.
Just like
On
that.
camera. No.
You just did it.
No, I'm not gonna put that on camera.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh vibe. We'll see you guys next week.